This is a question from 21st January and 2026. Okay, in the morning shift. So the question here is the given question is in the given diagram shown time taken by the pulse to travel on the string 1 is T1 and time taken by the pulse in travel in the string 2 is T2. So what is the T1 by T2 is our question. T1 by T2. So first the concept is this is from the waves. It's from waves. So this is the waves in a stretched string or waves in a stretched string. So it's a string and is asking about time taken. So if you want to find about time taken, this is from year to year is time taken is T1. Okay. And this one is time taken is T2. Okay. So now T1 equals to, so T1 by T2. T1 by T2. T1 is what? It's a D. D by V1. Next one, D by V2. So let me know. So V1 and V2, the lengths are given. Okay. So this is the length. It's a D if you take it. Means L is given here. And next one, second one also L. So this will be, it's a V2 by V1. So next one, T1 by T2 is equals to, okay, V2. So what is the velocity in a string? V is equals to under root of T by mu. So they have the regular meanings. T is the tension in the string, mu is the linear mass density. So now I'm writing from this. This is here I'm extending. This is what T1 by T2. So T1 is V2 is given as under root of T by mu 2 by under root of T by mu 1. So this is equals to under root of mu 1 by mu 2. Mu 1 by mu 2. And mu 1 and mu 2, both the values are given. This is equals to mu 1 is here. This is the mu 1. What is that? 2 into 10 to the power of minus 4 by mu 2 is 4 into 10 power minus 4. So these two cancel. So this is what? 1 by root 2. T1 by T2 is equals to 1 by root 2. So the answer is first one.